You guys want to look at the Reddit? It looks like we're looking at the Reddit, okay? Reddit recap. Go and join or r/Casey King. Very proud of my crosshair placement. Ended up getting a 4K, but clipped too soon. What does that mean? He clipped it too soon? Oh, so the 4K doesn't show. He's out of the Guardian, so that's impressive actually. If he's about to roll 3 people right here, respect. He sees a rifle. He sees a barrel. A little loud. There's a little one tap. I'm guessing this is a lower ranked game right now. That's my call. That is a good blind at least. Kind of hit him. Good shot. He was contemplating it. He was checking his hacks to see if there's another player in the tunnels right here, and decided to peek it. Just checking the hacks real fast, you know. All right. And he clips it there. He's like, all right, it's finished. Wait, did he just post a 2K? And then he's like, I got a 4K in this round. He's in Spike Rush too. I love it. I love it. I was wondering why he was using the Guardian. It's because he was forced to. He gets a 2K and then he was like, oh, I gotta clip that. I gotta clip that. Okay. What a vibe. Just in time. What do we got here? Oh, it's gonna be a close defuse. How close is it? It better be 0.01. Oh, it is, dude. You don't see that often. Normally it's like 0.04, 0.20, 0.01. And that is literally as close as it comes. Just in time. 31 upvotes, dude. That feels good, man. It would have been like even more dope if he got like a 6K beforehand, but like it is still all right. Aced after not playing for a month. Okay, that's exciting. Is he in Spike Rush too? Because he's using... Oh, he's a Vandal. It's a Vandal. Uses the Roomba to clear left. Gonna peek. A little bit of a rough spray, but... That's 3 right there. That's exciting when your Roomba kills somebody. It like adds onto your kill streak. You're like, man, I landed my shots and my Roomba killed somebody. That's pretty fucking dope. Dangerous move running underneath the floorboard right there while tagged though. You can shoot through that. Rotate sides so they know that he's not in the corner. Or if they try to check every guy. Ooh, okay, spicy. Serial kisser. He kisses serially. He does it aggressively. Hopefully consensually though as well. Doing one of these setups I talk about in the Icebox video that I may have recorded for Skill Capped. Oh, the spray from Inspect. Check this spray out again, dude. Holy shit. I don't even know if he aces. This is actually a good fucking spray. It's not that easy to spray 4 targets down. Look how many bullets he fires. That was like a 20 bullet spray right there. Is that 23? He goes down to 2. That was like a 20 bullet spray right there. He kills all 4 of them, dude. That's a good feeling. Doesn't get the ace. Unfortunate. That's okay though. That 4K spray down wins the round easy. Oh man, that's so good. Good shit, Inspect. What rank is this guy, I wonder? Me waiting for King to get DMCA'd on Twitch. What is this, Ryan? I still love this. I love this gif. I hope that lives on forever. Should r/Casey King leave the King? The King has not given us enough attention. Should we leave him? What kind of attention do you want me to give you? I'm gonna be straight with you guys. You want me to check it every day on stream? I can check it every day, but if my content becomes only Reddit recaps, I feel like people are gonna be like, this is a little stale, you know? I could check all of your clips every day if you want. Yes, we should dump him. No, take pity on him. Wait, we were together? Let's be friends. Let's just be friends. I'm gonna vote for that. I'm glad that got the most votes. Let's just be friends. I think we could be friends. That's what the girls all tell me. Maybe. Oh man, I think we make such good friends. Like, I mean, I don't want to ruin our friendship. Like, oh man, I've only been in love with you for like 4 years. Like, rough dude. Rough dude. King, what do you think about the Cypher camera bait? My movement kind of flitched. Because I didn't know he was there, but I still got the kill. Nice.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining. Where is everyone hiding?
I definitely used the camera bait. I guess maybe I didn't hear this guy. That's good game sense. I would have thought he would have been in the corner, if anything. I'm not playing in the game. But I would have thought that he would have been there, so the cam there doesn't do anything. But the camera right there pulls his crosshair a little bit. Even in the doorway, that makes a big difference, right? That's probably why he won the fight, is because of the camera bait. That's actually pretty good. I've used my camera to bait before, but like, yeah, it worked out there. That's pretty good. I'll upvote. Also upvote that. I don't want people to leave me, though. Yes, we should dump him. You guys are going to dump me? 8 of you said you would dump me? I'm a little offended. There's an easy way to practice peeking and counter strafing. Use the sage wall. I have seen this. This is a good tip. If anybody's looking to practice the counter strafes or peeks, just use a sage wall. It helps you like peek around it. I don't use this all that often, but if you feel like your peeks are really rough, honestly, I think my recommendation would be going to deathmatch, honestly, instead of like doing something like this. Like, this is all right, but like deathmatch practices peeking pretty much as best as it could. Right? Like, just run around in deathmatch. Don't hold angles, but just like peek everything. Just run at people. And you'll get a lot better at peeking than this. But this is an okay way to practice for sure. You use the stage wall, you can practice like your counter strafes around walls and everything. I got a pretty good kill earlier today because of that. I don't think it was on stream. It was before stream. I do believe in the benefits of the Bucky. Bucky fucks, dude. Nice. Oh, I didn't expect that to happen that quick. I expected it to be like, most clips that you see in competitive games are so like planned out. Like they're pretty slow. It's like bop, 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 bop. This is like literally he fired on the reset every single time. Every single time he cocked his gun or whatever, like he pulled the he killed somebody. Notice how he hides in his smoke to give it time to like develop too. That's pretty good. That is so good. Whenever I watch these clips, I wonder what rank these guys are. I actually love that. That only has 2 upvotes. What rank are you? Rank? I'm just gonna not even type it out. If you wanted to comment funny things on that, feel free to do so. King's thoughts on hit scan gun tier list. Hit scan, they're all right. Oh, they have the skins tier list. Okay. Oni Phantom is definitely #1, so I'm already on board with it. I think I might put Reaver or Prime Vandal above the Singularity Phantom, though. I don't love the Singularity Phantom. I think it's all right. I think I'd probably put Singularity A tier, and then move these Vandals over. Glitch Pop Bulldog. That's weird that I find that up there. Glitch Pop is a good skin set. I don't know if I put Glitch Pop Bulldog that high. I think I put Ion Phantom even above that. Ion Phantom's down here. I think even Ion Phantom goes above Singularity. I'm gonna be straight. Keep going. What are any weird ones? I like Convex. I actually like the Convex set. They didn't rate Judge or anything, but like as far as rifles, I think Convex Bulldog is not the worst skin. It's way better than Contour. Give me a fucking break. You think Contour is better than Convex? Fuck off with that shit. Sakura Vandal is better than B tier. Sakura Vandal's A tier for sure. Where's the Winter Wonderland Vandal? Is that on here? The Contour, you've never seen it? It's fucking gross. Eagle Vandal is B tier. It's alright. It's not terrible. I think this Phantom, whatever the green one is, I forget. That's easily a C tier. I think Galeria Phantom, it's B tier. It's not a bad skin. It's pronounced Couture. Couture? Are you sure? I don't think so. I think it's Contour. I'm going to fight you on this. How do we spell it? It's Google Translate. I'm going to fight you on this.
Contour. 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 Contour.
How much you want to bet on it? Betting a sub. You're going to bet a sub? Is it actually no N? I've always read it with an N. Couture? What does that even mean? It doesn't have an N? I'm gonna see it for myself. Free $5? I'll give you $5. I'll own up to it. Collection. Bulldog. Where's it at? The more you know. Okay. I guess it doesn't have an N. So apparently I lose this bet. What does this sound like though?
Couture.
So guys, it's been a good stream. It's Thanks for hanging out with me today. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys have a good night. Happy, what day is it? Wednesday? It's the kill. Ulting in a 1v2. Ballsy move. Wait, does he get it? Yeah, he has it. Okay, so he does get it.
Run. You are fucking. You can do.
So ulting in a situation like that, risky fucking move. I don't know what rank this guy is. Yeah, if he dies from that ulti, like if his body gets killed, he's pretty much dead, right? Or even if one of the two guys backs up here, they blundered, right? He doesn't need to ult. So we love watching good clips because this is a really good flick. This spray right here, that transfer is fucking nutty. But also, like, this Sova made a mistake. If this Sova doesn't challenge and just goes to the left side, all they have to do is split up, and it's an easy kill. Because he can't challenge both sides. He's going to be inactive for, like, a second. So if they just back up, they actually kill him here. It was a good play. The transfer is nutty. But he definitely succeeded because the enemies messed up quite a bit. I don't even care about the missing shots. They just played that wrong. Finally hit Radiant. Did he actually? Blake intake. He's intaking the Blake. I don't think he actually hit Radiant. I'm gonna say this is cap because he got a 3-up arrow. He didn't post the screenshot of him ranking up to Radiant. He posted a 3-up arrow Radiant, which I think happens with the bug. I don't think he hit Radiant. I'm calling cap. Anybody else call it? Claim your cap here. It's probably the bug. So they're calling it too. I love all the Iron players. Any tips of getting out of Iron? Wait, so as a Radiant, do you find kids' videos helpful? A little of both, actually. For the record, I upload my videos mostly as entertainment, but I do think that they are beneficial. I think I give out good guides. I definitely want to be more of a personality, though, than I am like a player. I think my tips are okay, but I hope that people watch me for me.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my god.
Nice. She walks into that.
Enemy remaining.
Oh my
What I was thinking is like something I do right here sometimes is so Noye peeks the Reyna. So in this engagement, you have to be aware of what's going on around you. He does have the trip right here, right? So he knows that the Jet's not close on him, but he knows that the Jet's pushing him right now, unless she's bad. But like if this Reyna's engaging, this Jet should be closing the distance. That's what she should be doing right now, right? So sometimes what I would do here is when he unpeaks, I might just peek the Jet, you know, catch her off guard, because the Jet thinks that he's fighting the Reyna. But if he turns around and just kills her, sometimes that can catch him really off guard. Because he didn't win that first engagement, which he was smart to back out, right? This first engagement, he misses a few shots on her, and then he backs out, and then he repeaks, right? And this is a smart decision. Misses the first couple shots, backs out. Now he can repeak, or he can peek the Jet here. Those are his options. He could still back up and peek the Jet from this corner.
One enemy remaining.
He still plays it well. Obviously, he wins. But that's another option. That's something I love to do in situations like that. You're fighting somebody, and then you peek somebody else, and you kill them. I don't think that's working as intended. Not even a hard lineup. Maybe it is. I think I got it wrong. It's below the corner, you buffoon. It's not on the corner. Because if I do it on the corner, it didn't work. I gotta do it below the corner. It doesn't matter. It does matter. I just demonstrated it. I literally just demonstrated it. You have different graphic settings. Oh, now you're gonna resort to he has different graphic settings. Oh man, he has different graphic settings, so it's different. It does matter. If you guys enjoyed this, subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the community where we have a Reddit down below, and the Discord, where we're on the Twitch where we have so many awesome people. Man, I'm too drunk right now for this, honestly. Should I play a game? Who wants to play a game?